In this video, we are going to talk about a very simple and interesting topic. Does grammar really matter to speak English? We are four students in this group, and each of us will share our ideas and opinions on this topic. The purpose of this discussion is not only to share our thoughts but also to learn from each other. So, let's begin our discussion without wasting any time. First of all, I would like to ask my friend to share his point of view. Yes, what do you think about it?
Okay, let me speak. First of all, I am Muzaffar, the founder of Luxpens and a fluent English speaker learned by Englisher. I feel grammar is important, but it is not the main part when we speak English. At the end of the day, what really matters is fluency, confidence, and being able to share your ideas, your thoughts in front of the people. Even if we make small mistakes, people usually understand us, and that's what communication is all about. If we keep waiting to speak perfect grammar, then we might lose confidence and never speak at all. So I think it's better to focus on speaking freely first, and grammar will naturally improve with the time by the practice. By the way, it was my experience. So can you tell about it?
Thank you, Zefa. My name is Ms. Baidarisi and I'm fluent speaker of English. Yes, I agree with you, but in my opinion, grammar is useful, but speaking confidently is more important. If we practice daily, our grammar will get better with time. But the main thing is to express our ideas clearly so people can understand us. And as I know, grammar is just a tool to help you. Don't take it too hard on yourself. You can make many things. You can start from yourself if you want to speak, and for speaking, you can start from yourself. You can practice with yourself. You can talk to yourself, and you can do many other things. And for speaking, you can watch English movies, web series, interviews, podcasts, which will help you to boost your vocabulary.
Let's come to the point. According to me, grammar is very important part of English. We can't ignore it because it helps us to express our thoughts in a clear, correct, and professional way. Without grammar, sometimes our sentences can confuse. For example, if you use the wrong sentences, people may not understand us properly. That's why I think grammar and confidence should always go together. When we speak with both, then our communication becomes strong, effective, and impressive. In this way, people will not understand us properly, but also respect the